Exit polls predicted a sweep for the NDA in Bihar, but on counting day, the sweep turned into a tsunami, one that drowned the opposition Grand Alliance and handed the NDA a record-breaking mandate. As of now, the Election Commission has declared results for 147 seats, of which the NDA has won 125 seats, well past the majority mark of 122 in the 243-member assembly. The Grand Alliance has won 17 seats, and counting of votes on the remaining seats is underway. Poll debutant Prashant Kishore and his Jan Suraj party have failed to secure even a single seat. Asaduddin Owaisi's Aimin has emerged as a dark horse, with the party winning 5 seats in Bihar.
नरेंद्र मोदी, देखिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का स्वागत अभिनंदन हो रहा है। नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, 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 मोदी।
A short while ago, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the BJP headquarters in New Delhi. Addressing the victory speech, the Prime Minister vowed that the years of Jungle Raj will never return to Bihar.
Modi, Modi, Modi। बिहार के चुनाव में जब मैं जंगल राज की बात करता था, कट्टा सरकार की बात करता था, तो आरजेडी के लोग कभी विरोध नहीं करते थे, लेकिन कांग्रेस वालों को बहुत चुभता था और बहुत मोदी क्या बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा क्या बोल रहे हैं। लेकिन आज मैं फिर कहना चाहता हूं, मैं कहूंगा अब वापस नहीं आएगी कट्टा सरकार, अब वापस नहीं आएगी, अब वापस नहीं आएगी, अब वापस नहीं आएगी। साथियों, बिहार के लोगों ने विकसित बिहार के लिए मतदान किया है। बिहार के लोगों ने समृद्ध बिहार के लिए मतदान किया है।
It's also turning out to be a race between the NDA allies, the JDU and the BJP for the position of the single largest party. The BJP has won 75 seats so far and is leading in 15. Meanwhile, the JDU has won 54 seats and is leading in 31. If the JDU converts the rest of its leads, it will almost double its tally to 43 that it won during the previous election in 2020. That will be a major boost to Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, who is vying for a record 10th term. Another key NDA ally, Chirag Paswan's Lok Jan Shakti party, made a strong show. It is currently leading in 6 seats and has already won 13 seats. This is a major turnaround from its performance in the 2020 Assembly election, when it won only 1 seat. Back then, it did not fight the election with the NDA. The opposition Grand Alliance suffered one of the worst electoral defeats in Bihar, with both the RJD and the Congress party posting a dismal performance. The RJD, which had emerged as the biggest party in the last election, has won only 16 seats and is leading in 8 seats, a far cry from the 75 seats it won in the last election. The Indian National Congress also seems to have been decimated in this election. The Congress had fielded candidates in 61 seats in this election, but the party is leading in just 3 seats and has won 3 seats so far. The party had won 19 seats in the last assembly polls.
अब्दुल बारी सिद्दीक जी स्टेज पे महागठबंधन के वरिष्ठ नेता।
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.